I'm Tyler.
I'm Ethan.
And I'm going to teach you how to ollie. Go. Alright, so, to ollie, got to be able to, nothing. You just got to do an ollie, right? So you're going to have your feet like this, right? And Ethan's going to show you the rest. So you see this foot position? That's exactly what you're going to do. So, you get a clean ollie. Alright, he's going to show you the rest of the steps.
Alright. Once you get that, just practice going like that. And then once you're comfortable with doing that, pop and then flick up. So yeah, like that.
It's all going to happen in one motion. When it all happens in one motion, you get an ollie. So you pop down. Popping means you put your board or your tail or whatever it is hits the ground. A slide for your foot slides your foot up, right? So you can get all in one.
Guys, that's how you do an ollie.